All right, so in this video, I'm going to be solving another algebraic equation. Let me explain something. When you say an equation is an expression with an equality sign. So what makes this an equation is the presence of this equality sign. All right, so well, if we are looking for the value of 6x, it implies that we must first get the value of x. That's the solution to this particular equation. And that is the value of x that will make the left-hand side to be equal to the right-hand side. So this is a very simple problem. All we just need to do is to collect what like terms. So if we collect like terms, this is 5x, this is 4x, but this is plus 4 anyway. So if it is coming to this side, by crossing this equality sign, it will become minus 4. Don't forget, in one of the videos I've explained that any sign crossing the equality sign will change. Right, so if it's positive, it will change to negative, and if it is negative, it will change to positive. So this one will now be what? 5x. So plus 4x is coming, will now turn to minus 4x, will now be equal to minus 7. So minus 3 is going here, will now be what? Plus what? 4, right? Because it is, minus 7 plus what? 3, because this minus 3 is crossing this equality sign and it's turning to what? Plus. So 5x minus 4x will give us what? 1x or x. Then it's got to what? Minus 7 plus 3 will give us what? Minus 4. So x is got to what? Minus 4 over 1, which is got to minus what? 4. All right, so that's the value of x that will make this left hand side to be equal to this right hand side. But our focus now is to find the value of 6x. So since x is what? Minus 4, then we can say since x is got to minus 4, then you can say that was 6x is got to 6 into bracket minus 4, and that will be 6 times minus 4, and that will give us minus what? 24. So the value of 6x is minus 24. I want to believe this video accepts someone. Please kindly subscribe to this channel, like the video, share it with your friend, and see you in the next video. Thank you.